Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to buy Prime membership on Amazon. Whether you're looking to enjoy faster shipping, exclusive deals, or access to streaming content, getting Prime is a straightforward process that unlocks a ton of benefits. Let's walk through it step by step. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. Make sure you're signed in before moving forward, as you'll need access to your account settings to set up Prime. Now look towards the top right corner of the Amazon homepage. Here you'll see a menu option labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this section and a drop-down menu will appear with various account-related options. From this menu, select Prime Membership. This will take you directly to the Prime subscription page where you can explore the different plans available. Once you're on the Prime membership page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Choose Your Plan. This is where Amazon presents you with several membership options tailored to different needs. You'll see choices like Prime Monthly, Prime Annual, Prime Young for young adults, and Prime Access for those who qualify. Take a moment to review these plans and decide which one suits you best. After you've made your selection, click Start Your Free 3-day trial. This option allows you to test out Prime before committing to a paid subscription, giving you access to all the perks for a limited time. Next, you'll be prompted to select your payment method. Amazon offers several options here, including use your gift card balance when available, enter a gift card, voucher, or promotional code, and add a credit or debit card. These options give you flexibility in how you'd like to pay for your membership. For this example, let's say you want to use a credit or debit card. Click on Add a Credit or Debit Card. A form will appear asking you to enter your payment details. Fill in the name on card, card number, expiration date, and security code fields. Double-check that all the information is accurate to avoid any issues with payment processing. Once you've entered all the required details, click Add Your Card. Amazon will save this payment method to your account and prepare it for the Prime subscription. Finally, click Continue to complete the process. At this point, Amazon will finalize your Prime membership setup and you'll gain immediate access to all the benefits that come with it. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after, and your free trial will officially begin. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for Amazon Prime and can now enjoy faster shipping, exclusive content, and all the other perks that come with the membership. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.